Hello everyone, welcome to Live Play Florida. My name is 𝐋𝐨𝐿𝐴, the broker owner of Florida Life Team Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. And today we're down in Lakewood Ranch, Florida looking at brand new construction. This is going to be the Willow model. Let's go inside and take a look. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, about 2,300 square feet under air, 2-story model. Let's go inside and take a look. So walking in, here's the front area. Love the front porch. Single entry front door. Opening up. So the first thing I notice is your beautiful living room. Going into your kitchen. This is going to be a gas community, so you do have a gas range right over here. I love the quartz countertops, white cabinets, beautiful backsplash. Let's walk through the kitchen. Here's our pantry. Again, turning around. View of the dining room. And of course, another view of the living room. Walking towards the back. This particular model does have an owner bedroom on the first floor. So here's the owner bedroom right over here. Walk-in closet. And you do have a owner bathroom, double vanities, and a walk-in tiled shower. Coming out of the owner bedroom. Here's our laundry space right over here. And of course, towards the back, that would be our garage area. Let's walk back towards the front. Here's the half bath. And then walking upstairs. So the second floor is going to have your additional loft area right over here. Here's guest bedroom number 1 on the second floor. Again, a really nice sized room. And then turning around, you do have a nice walk-in closet on this particular bedroom. Walking out of guest bedroom number 1. Get another view of the loft space. Again, love a little desk over here. Let's walk over to the other side. Here's guest bedroom number 2 on the second floor. And then lastly, here's guest bedroom number 3. This one also has a small walk-in closet, which is really nice. And again, all these guest bedrooms will also share this guest bath right over here, double vanities, white cabinets, and a tub shower combo. Turning around for you guys, let's go back downstairs. And let's end our tour outside. So you just got to look at our first model. If you have any questions, definitely give me a call at 941-303-9575. You guys just got to look at the Willow. Again, we're in Lakewood Ranch, Florida, Dreamfinder Homes. And again, my name is 𝐋𝐨𝐿𝐴, broker owner of Florida Life Team Realty.